Hello. This is… you don't really care, do you? You just want your factory to run smoothly. Nico, for example, had the idea of implementing cross-site tracking in order to get full transparency of his production and logistics processes. But this requires integration of several locating technologies and different hardware devices. Now, there is a solution. Here's Omlox, the new locating standard. Nico is now able to combine trackables like tags, tools or forklifts and the infrastructure from different manufacturers. They only need to support the Omlox standard. Let's have a quick look at Omlox. The Omlox core zone provides open interfaces in the UWB area and guarantees easy interoperability. In the complementary zones, other locating technologies like RFID, GPS and 5G can be integrated as well. The Omlox Hub allows a seamless access to locating data no matter which locating technologies are used. With the Omlox Hub API, it's possible to integrate any desired industrial application. Nico is very happy with the new possibilities that Omlox opens up. And you can benefit from Omlox too. Get in touch with the Omlox community. It's open to everyone.